bought this rig a few years back at Goodwill for $5. Can't find this stuff up there anymore. Dusty thing, man. Dusty little drill press. It's what the hell? Let me take it out of there. It's been sitting on a shelf all this time. I'm gonna put it to work. Let's see, this goes like this. This takes the drill out. Look at that, buddy. That's some power. I got 3 amps. 3 amps. Speed control. Speed control. Trigger speed control. So, speed control is determined on how far you pull the trigger back. That's some high tech. That's some high tech stuff right there, brother. Oh man, I'm gonna put this baby to use just for the noise factor. That's a noisy rig. Let's see, you want to go like this? Oh yeah. I can't figure out the table though. What the hell you do with this? Got a channel in there. I guess it would go. I don't know what you do with it. It rotates. I don't know. Figure this thing out here. Oh, I see. Oh, I got it. Yeah, if you want to drill a piece of, I don't know, something round. I've got handy this piece of rebar. I get it. All right, that's cool. It might come in handy. I'm about to put this thing to use. Hell yeah. Why not? $5. I've been sitting around. Look at this. Throw this guy on here. He's been sitting around here doing nothing. Flamingo, get to work. Look at that. Put him up there. I gotta find the chuck key for it. That's cool. It's a winner.